How to embed Google Drive video on Google Sites. Ensure that you are using the same account in both Google Sites and in Google Drive.
So first is to upload the video in Google Drive. So to do this, just click this new option located on the top right corner and then select this option File Upload. Now here, select the video that you want to upload. Now once it is uploaded, right-click the video and then go to Share. Then select this Share option. Now make sure that under General Access, you change this option to Anyone with a Link so that viewers can play the video. And then click Done. Now go to Google Site and then select the site that you want to embed the video. So I will be choosing this microbiome site. So say for example, I want to embed the video in this part. So just click this drive icon here and then go to Resend. Now select the video and then click Insert. So you can change its size by dragging these circles or change its location by dragging the video. So once you're satisfied, you can now hit this Publish button. And so this is how it would look like when published. So that is how you embed Google Drive video on Google Sites. Thank you and have a great day.